Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm going to be making a green waffle. For this recipe, you will need milk, maple syrup, an egg, almonds, oats, and some green spinach. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. I'll blend until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to cover and blend. So guys, I've just finished blending up my waffle dough. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? Now I'm going to pour it into I'm going to oil my waffle maker so the waffles will easily come out. Now I'm going to pour my waffle dough. Doesn't it look amazing without even cooking? Now I'm going to cover and let it cook. I'll show you when it's done. Let's check on our healthy green waffles. Wow! Healthy green waffles. Doesn't that look amazing? We're now come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.